Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert any files, especially video or image in Windows 11, the latest version. So here we go. This is the Wondershare Uni Converter. So this is a download processing. So you can download this app, Uni Converter, for free. Just visit the Wondershare official website. So you can search on your browser, just type Uni Converter. So here we go, just click and directly to Wondershare videoconverter.wondershare.net, and this is how you can get it for free. Just click try it free in order to download this app. So here, Uni Converter delivers a high-speed video converter and compressor boasting a 12 plus functions. And here, this is the introduction. Less time, higher quality, all-in-one solution for superior video conversion, compression, and editing. So here you can convert the video, of course, compress your video, and batch editor. So this is the AI empowered footage refreshed. So here we go, all-in-one video and audio solution. There is a basic tools and AI tools that you can try, like subtitle translator, text-to-speech, noise remover, background remover, vocal remover, and voice changer. And for the basic tools, there is a video recorder, editor, merger, toolbox, fixed media metadata, and DVD burner. And here we go. This is the app Wondershare Uni Converter after download and install into your system. Don't forget to sign in. You can sign in with your Google account. And here we go. So there is a TikTok downloader here. You can batch download. You can do batch download videos from TikTok profile and video links. Text-to-speech AI compressor from 200 megabyte to 20 megabyte, for example. Screen recorder, video editor, video enhancer powered by AI, image enhancer powered by AI, and subtitle editor. So this is more tools, and this is the converter. So you can add files here, add or drag files here to start conversion. Batch convert a video, audio, image files supporting over 10,000 format. So here, after you convert, you can trim and you can crop, you can edit or fix your metadata and change the format, MP4, MOV, MKV, and so on. This is the settings, so you can configure the settings. Estimate size about 13 megabytes. So here you can add subtitles, and you can choose no audio track or keep all the audio track. Just click convert all to begin. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.